Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new or just stopping by, I'm Shay, a health and wellness coach to help you be a better version of you on the inside and out. So, as you can see, I'm headed to Kroger and I'm going to show you how to make zucchini spaghetti. And here are the ingredients. You're going to use Beyond Beef, zucchini, bell peppers, onions, tomato pasta, grapeseed oil, salt, some spices, asparagus for the side, lemon juice, cilantro, and again, all of this is under $20. And I'm going to use this particular manual spiralizer to turn my zucchini into spaghetti. So first, we're going to prepare the asparagus. You're going to drizzle some grapeseed oil, some lemon juice, a little bit of salt, onion powder, and cayenne. Rub it all together to make sure everything is seasoned thoroughly. Then you're going to set the oven to 375 for about 20 minutes. So to prep the onions and bell peppers, you're going to drizzle a little bit of grapeseed oil and turn the stove to about a medium-high heat. Go ahead and dice up the onions and bell peppers. Go ahead and put them in the stove and begin to saute. Now we're going to turn the zucchini into spaghetti with the spiralizer. As you continue to spiralize, you will see the consistency that is very similar to spaghetti. Now, if you don't like zucchini, you can use carrots or any other type of vegetable, and you will end up with some sort of spaghetti. Go ahead and continue to stir the onions and bell peppers to make sure they don't stick. Now it's time to add the Beyond Beef. Now, y'all don't know what I went through to open this particular package. I was struggling. My nails were not working with me. I had to end up using a knife. So yeah, it took me a little bit of time to get this package open. So you're going to cook your Beyond Meat for about 7 to 10 minutes. It's going to resemble the consistency of regular ground beef. And don't forget about the asparagus once it's done. And now for the zucchini noodles, you're going to drizzle a little bit of grapeseed oil, turn it to a medium-high heat. You're going to use about this amount of zucchini noodles and go ahead and add it to the stove. It's going to saute down, so it's going to start out with a large amount, but it's going to saute down as it cooks. And of course, stir to allow the grapeseed oil to kind of saute the zucchini noodles. And now it's time for the spices. You're gonna first start with the salt, add a desired amount that you like. Then you're gonna add about a tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of basil, and as well as 2 tablespoons of oregano. And you're gonna add 1/4 tablespoon of cayenne. You're gonna start small. You don't wanna add too much. You can add as you go, because if you start too much, it'll be super spicy. And of course, stir all the spices together in the vegan meat to allow it to season thoroughly. Now you can go ahead and stir everything together and cook for about another 2 minutes. And of course, go ahead and continue to stir your zucchini noodles and allow them to cook down. Now it's time for the tomato sauce. I use 2 jars of the Barilla tomato basil pasta. You can use the desired amount that you like. I like 2 jars. And of course, don't forget the cilantro. Now your zucchini noodles are gonna look about this type of consistency and it's ready to serve. And your meal is ready. Ooh, look at that with the vegan cheese on top. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.